Good day from the office of the Mob Justice Football. If you like the content, just press the plus sign over there to make sure that we reach 20,000 followers before the end of the season. We are growing as family and we must applaud you guys for keeping the content continuing. There's a lot of content, there's a lot of incident that we need to explain from the supporters' perspective based on Sunday clash against Mamelodi Sundowns, 7-time champions. There's this incident over here where Mamelodi Sundowns has to use a sidewalk to enter the stadium, not the tunnel. So according to the statement that was released yesterday by the